Okay, hello everyone, welcome to the video today. This is Elizabeth, and today I'm going to be showing you a website called GrabPoints. This is another website where you can earn a little bit of extra cash in the form of gift cards or PayPal or Amazon. And so it's just another one that I wanted to kind of walk through and give you an overview of how it works. Like I said, it's called GrabPoints, and this is it. I'm within my profile here. And over here on this side, you can see how you can earn money. So with the paid surveys, which these are pretty similar to the normal ones you would normally do, and you'll see over here, this is the points you'll be getting for doing these surveys, and they have quite a bit to do, so this is a great way to earn money if you're into taking surveys at all. And I'll show you what the points mean. As you can see, I currently have 795 points, but I'll show you in a minute what those translate into. Okay, you also have offer walls, and this is where you can complete offers and get points for those. Let's see, with AdGate, for instance, earn points by downloading apps, completing trials, and joining sites. There's just a whole bunch of different things that you can do. Okay, and then you also have watch videos, where you can, well, basically watch videos and earn points. So you've got three different ways here: the Send videos, June videos, and the Grab Rewards videos. So let's click on this and I'll show you. You have a whole bunch of different videos to choose from. You're going to earn about 7 points per video. And as you can see, there's a bunch of them. And they just keep going, keep loading. So this is a really good way to make some points as well. Okay. You also have offers you can do. Okay, so this is obviously going to be a little bit more involved than just taking a survey or watching a video. So here you're going to have to do a cell phone buyback, but you're going to get a lot of points. So if you're in the market for any of this kind of stuff, this is something you could also earn quite a lot of points with. So here, for instance, at FanDuel, you need to register, deposit a minimum of $10, and then use all of the funds within FanDuel. But if that's something you were going to do anyway, look at the amount of points you're going to get for that. 17,875. Pretty good deal. Looks like Rose Wines, where you can purchase wines with a credit card, and then you can cancel it, but you can still get rewards. Anyway, these are offers. You know how those work. Okay, and there's also a download apps option. So it just basically what it means is you're going to download these apps, Inbox Dollars, which I actually have videos on. I think I just did one not too long ago. That I recommend this one for sure. So all you have to do here is register and then confirm your email, and you're going to get points. Of course, you have to be a new member, so if you're already a member of Inbox Dollars, this won't work for you. But this is a good way to earn more money, and then there's the referral options here. But let me show you what the points translate into. So over here on this side, off to the right, you'll see how many points you need for each of these things. So you'll need 5,000 points in order to exchange for a Staples gift card, for instance. They also have PayPal, which is 3,000 points. Pretty easy to get to. You have your gift cards, you have Google Play, PlayStation, Best Buy, and there again is your points it's going to take for you to get those. So this is 3,000 points with either Amazon.com or PayPal is probably what I'm going to do, but that's because that's what I tend to do. Okay, so that's GrabPoints. That's a basic overview of GrabPoints. I will leave a link in the description if you want to check it out. This is one of the ones I use. It's not one of my favorites. It's just one that I happen to use on occasion. And so I wanted to give you an overview and kind of show you how it works. So I hope you found this video useful. If you did, go ahead and hit the thumbs up button. And if you're interested in subscribing, feel free to subscribe as well. And with that, I will see you guys in the next video.